It'll take me 10 minutes to trim and cut this piece of grass. I'm using the Echo Multi. It's a beast. And the Honda HRD 536. I'm going to trim around the edges and keep the grass on the lawn. Then I'm going to cut the grass on a number 4. Yeah. Now I'll cut the grass on number 4. It should be 3, but I'll do it on 4. If it stops growing, then I'll cut it on 3. That last line over there is a white line, so I'm going to come up the second line so I don't overlap it. I'm going to go clockwise around the garden. That's it. If I cut that grass any shorter, it'll be yellow, so I'm not doing it. Empty the bag when you're near the bin. So you're not walking around everywhere.